What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is BJ Sports Cards. It's Father's Day today. Went to a baseball game and they had some of these in the team store. So my son bought 2 packs for us. So we're gonna open them up here. See who gets the better packs. Which one you want?
I'll go for this one here.
All right, that one. I'll take this one. This is 2026 Series 2. There's 14 cards in there. Go ahead. Right. Paul Goldschmidt, Max Muncy Future Stars, Kyle Larry, Nick York, Milner, Pete Alonso, Trevor Story, Woods Richardson, Chiparo, I don't know, Arias, Harrison Bader, Sal Stewart rookie, nice, Shohei, All-Star, cool. And you got stars in MLB is going to be Peyton Tolley. So probably that Ohtani might be like the best card out of your pack. So that's pretty good. All right, so we got one of these little security things. We got Chase Meredith, Cody Bellinger, Caden Dana, BB Chapman, Cam Sanders, Ben Joyce, Hoffman rookie, Ozuna, Beantown Buds, Boston there, Nick Allen, Connor Norby. Got a refractor of Isaac Padres, and my stars in MLB is Bryce Eldridge, rookie of the year, or rookie card. So let us know who you think got the best pack there. That was fun opening them up, but we'll see you next time.